In last video I showed you how to use the joint move commands. In this video I will show you how to use the frame move commands. Like with joint move, it's possible to move through different waypoints. But with frame move we can move in straight trajectories. Let's add an absolute frame move and edit it. This time, instead of using the smooth jogging option, I will use the interval option of 20 mm. This way we can make for accurate motions. Let's add this point as well. And the last point, and save it again. Now you can let the robot move in a square. It's also possible to add blending to this command. Let's add some to the middle 2 points. Let's save and play our program again. As you can see, it almost makes a circular motion now instead of a rectangle like before. It's also possible to make relative frame movements. Let's delete the old command and add a relative frame movement. We'll first move home and add this as the first point and register it as from. Then we move it down a little bit and register this as the 2 point. Now, by saving it, giving it a name, we can now play this program. This was the 5th and last video of the basic tutorials for the Indy7 collaborative robot.